This video is for educational purpose. Don't try to attack any organization or individual without legal permission. I do not motivate for such activity, nor my channel or YouTube will be responsible for any illegal work caused by you, after watching the demonstration. All the attacks are performed in VMware to avoid any kind of data compromise. This video was made with an intention of providing information, awareness, and knowledge. Do not misuse this knowledge for any illegal work. Be ethical, be safe.
So how do you hack an Instagram account? So this is how you can do it. This is not the actual process which I am showing. It is the end result of the process which I am showing you guys. That once you hack an account, what can you do with that? So basically I'll just blur out everything. I'll just leave the red letters over there. It says we haven't finished disabling your account yet. If you want to reactivate it, try again in a few hours. So what it's gonna do, basically we will talk in a next video about it. So see you guys.